Nasaan ka ba? Nandito ka ba? Nasa Switzerland?
Can't keep up with the
Boracay, oo.
Hindi, actually, I found myself traveling for work.
Okay.
And hindi ako masyadong nakakapag-post kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Kasi minsan, bawal until lumabas, just like Asian persuasion. So, ayun, I've been traveling admittedly. Pero mostly naman for work yun. Kasi I'm also doing some e-commerce. Meron akong mga tinatahak na mga businesses na I need to travel.
Wow! So, akala namin
hindi lang ako maingay about it.
Actually, akala namin you're living the leisurely life.
Grabe naman. Kailangan mag-work.
Kailangan
natin mag-work para we can play.
Ang kaka-play mo lang sa Boracay, di ba?
No, that was for a birthday. Actually, na-surprise lang ako doon. Gumising ako and then may flight na pala ako. So, buti na lang, I had some free time before today to be with my friends.
Are you based here now?
I will always be based here, but also I have a life now also in America, especially after this movie. Meron din mga inquiries, meron din mga interested to work with me again. So it's really nice to have that life I've always dreamt of.
This movie is quite a surprise.
Yeah. Surprise!
Yeah.
May movie ako!
This was in the pandemic, during the lockdowns, di ba? Tama ba?
It was shortly after nung nag-lift na, nung medyo free na to travel yung mga tao. I went to LA actually to study gemology with GIA kasi meron akong certificates with them for jewelry kasi I have a jewelry brand. Ito, Vecma. So, I actually went there to study that, and then because of my yung mga nakikilala ko, yung mga nalalaman ko sa Los Angeles, bigla akong kinukuha for work.
Wow! So what happened? How did this pan out? Like, paano?
This one, I posted a reel on Instagram, and then I was also attending a lot of events. Marami din akong mga event na ina-attendan ng mga Hollywood event. And I think nakita ng producer yung kakikayan ko sa Instagram. So I got a call from him, and I think
this is Jet.
This is Jet, yeah. And I think Jet reached out to my mom for my number actually. So may blessings na ng mommy ko.
Wow.
And it's my first movie na English lahat. Kasi nung bagong dating ako from Paris, di ba, syempre na sinubaybayan lahat ng tao, 2008 or 2007, yung nagtatagalog ako talaga. But winworkshop ako for 3 months para gumanda yung Tagalog ko. So natuto kong umarte in Tagalog kasi nga yung Star Cinema, yung mga pelikulang Pilipino, syempre, Tagalog. So happy naman ako. And then biglang, nung nakita ko yung script nito, ay, all English. Puro English siya. So parang I had to adjust to acting in English.
Parang ganda ng tagline, every great marriage could use a good divorce. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ay, gusto ko.
Ibig sabihin, maraming pwedeng mangyari sa isang marriage and marami ding pwedeng mangyari sa isang divorce. Whether good or bad, mahulay siya. And I'm sure the people who have been through a marriage, maybe a rocky marriage, yung iba nagkakabalikan pa ulit, yung iba nagiging magkaibigan pa ulit. Pero a lot of the time, kapag sa Amerika may divorce, dito wala, diba? Pero kapag divorce na, hindi depende sa couple kung magiging friends ba sila ulit. Just like my mama and papa.
Yes, so mamaya pag-uusapan natin.
Or kung ano yung mangyayari yon, makulay yung lakbay.
How does it relate to Asian persuasion? And what's your role here?
My role is Avery. So ako yung na-divorce sa naging asawa ko dito sa pelikula. And yung persuasion siguro kasi, paano ko ba sasabihin na hindi kikwento yung story? Parang merong character dito na nangligaw sa akin kasi gusto niyang ma-inlove ako sa kanya at makalimutan ko na yung asawa ko.
Wow!
So, medyo masaya talaga yung journey niya.
Pero malayo sa totoong buhay ito.
Ay, syempre, di pa ako basa!
Speaking of that, kamusta na? You've been open already about it. You're here, you're in Switzerland. Kamusta ang love life natin?
Oh, open na ba?
Open na!
Parang hindi pa ako ready. Open kasi I expected the question.
Oh, yeah. But no, kasi lagi namin nakikita, akala ko open na.
Actually, soft opening. Charot!
Soft opening.
Hindi, parang, ako kasi I grew up sa public eye na.
Oh.
So, alam nyo yung parang ngayon ko na-experience yung wow, for the first time, nung medyo nag-lay low lang ako ng konti, parang, wow, pwede na pala akong magka-private life, ganun. And because dito ako lumaki, hindi ako sanay na todo private. Gusto ko pa rin i-share ng konti, hindi complete kapag hindi ko na-share yung mga nangyayari sa akin. Kaya minsan napapapost ako. But I'm still not ready to go all out in terms of making it, in terms of sharing it with you. Kasi siguro until serious na talaga.
Wait, hindi pa ba serious?
Hindi ko
Hindi
sabihin yung parang, huy, hindi po,
Hindi ba?
bago ko lang siya nakilala.
Okay.
Pero apart from that, I'm getting to know him. Nasa get to know you ako.
Wow.
Kasi matagal ako what do you call it? Parang,
Ma-fall?
kailangan ko ng time to get to know somebody kung sino talaga siya.
Oh.
And,
Because of your stature too.
and bagong-bago pa to. So,
But that's wise,
wala pa ako masyadong time to
Mm-hmm.
get to know the person.
That's nice.
So,
At least the wisdom in this era of your love life is, would you say, the best, the most mature?
I would think so. Siguro because marami tayong natutunan sa pandemic, all of us. And yung iba umuwi sa tribo nila, sa mga pamilya nila. I don't know kung sinong kasama mo nung lockdown, pero ako naiwan ako mag-isa nung lockdown kasi magkaiba kaming city.
Like alone?
Family ko, yes. So 3 months yun na wala kang masandalan really. So doon ko na-realize na, oh gosh, ito pala yung importance na may katuwang sa buhay. So medyo nag-iba yung perspective ko. But I never saw myself getting married early. Talagang mga ganitong time ako talaga. We all have our seasons and I think mas sa ganito akong time. So hopefully, okay naman.
I mean, one of your sisters has a new baby.
Yes.
Hindi ka ba naiingit? Like,
No, hindi ako maingiting tao. I'm very happy for the people who are genuinely happy sa buhay nila. And my sister is so happy with her relationship and her new role as a mom. Talaga.
nakita mo na yung bagong pamangkin mo.
Actually, nagpadala ng regalo. Pero I just arrived, so te-text ko siya mamaya. Baka pumuntahan ko siya, surprise.
And for the concert of your mom and dad, which is around the corner na pala.
Surprise din
Siyempre,
po.
ano kakasahan namin kay Casey? Aabangan ka namin, siyempre.
Another surprise!
Oo.
Mahilig ako mang-surprise these days
Oo.
kasi na-miss ko kayo. Diba? Tahimik lang ako pero pag meron akong ma-offer sa inyo, andito ako. And ito, parang, hindi ko nga alam what to think. Sa totoo lang.
What was your initial reaction? Siyempre, di ba parang masyadong impossible ito, pero nangyari.
Dumating na pala tayo doon.
Ayun nga, ano nangyari? Hindi tayo nag-usap-usap lahat. Kaya one day gumising ako, nasa stage na tayong tatlo.
Oo.
I mean, parang, di ba pag nasa stage, wala kayong makita na
Yeah.
audience. So, na-imagine ko siya, sabi ko, shucks, ano kaya to? But it's so exciting. It's something I've always hoped. Hindi yung concert ha, yung makita lang silang dalawa na masaya.
Aww.
Hopefully, yun yung mangyari.
Kasi natin alam.
Hopefully, yung mami ko, tears of joy. Sana yung alam ko may tears yan. So, stage ready na ako dyan. But hopefully, it's about forgiveness, friendship.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah. I think kasi exes don't have to be enemies.
Yeah.
Pwede talagang, depende. Pero,
Are you friends with your exes?
I would like to think so, pero it doesn't mean that I have to have a friendship talaga. But wala akong kaaway.
Bad blood.
Yeah. Dapat
Yeah.
ikaw din.
I think it's the way to go. Kasi, maganda sa feeling, light.
And circling back to your movie,
Yeah.
yun ang kasi divorce ka dito, and of course,
Yes.
you grew up na you had that experience. What's your takeaway from that? Or what do you want the audience to have a takeaway doon?
Sa
Film.
Sa Asian for sure.
I think for me yun nga na don't close your doors. Sometimes ginugulat din tayo ng tadhana in the best ways possible. And I'm living proof of that. Marami nang nagawang tadhana sa akin. Kung saan ako dinala ng tadhana. But I think at the end of it all, you know, enjoy the ride. Parang
Oh.
ganun. Kasi you will meet people along the way. And we all have seasons in our life na talagang para sa atin.
Yeah. And super last question pala, yung SAG-AFTRA, yung SAG, pinayagan yung film, because this is a Hollywood film. Do you know, parang at what parameters pinayagan kayo mag-promote? Because this is...
I'm not sure the details, but Jack can answer the question.
Okay.
But I'm really happy that I finally got to work na experience ko yung treatment ng SAG na movie. Kasi lagi natin naririnig yung mga good things about kung paano patakbuhin ng mga production, yung mga shoot nila, and na-experience ko din siya. Of course, with Jed and his production. I heard very good things also from Paolo Montalban na marami nang nagawang Hollywood projects, and talagang they commend Jed also for running a tight ship na yung parang very, very professional din talaga yung ano.
That's awesome. Thank you so much, Casey.
Okay.
We'll just get
More
sign on your
movie
outfit.